Welcome to Kendriya Vidyalaya, Alwar. Let us embark on a bird's eye view survey of our school. Kendriya Vidyalaya, Alwar is located in the heart of the city of Alwar. It is spread across a large area of 27 acres near the foothills of the Aravalli Hills. Though the building of the school was constructed way back in 1960s, it still looks new and has retained its state-of-the-art character. It has not only incorporated new ideas and technology in its working, but has also retained the old glories of the past. This is the newly constructed lotus pond. Our students must take inspiration from a lotus flower. It presents a perfect analogy for the human condition. Even when its roots are in the dirtiest waters, the lotus produces the most beautiful flower. With its large area, many rooms and corridors, and a majestic garden, KV Alwar looks no less than a fortress amidst a dense forest. Thanks to the humid climate of the region, which has proved to be a boon in disguise for the flora of Alwar city. The old and majestic building, in fact, adds to the overall beauty of the Vidyalaya. Let us now go to the sports grounds. Playing basketball improves overall confidence and results in a better eye-hand coordination. Is it not a luxury to play basketball in this colorful court right in the middle of a lush green garden? Yes, it is. KV Alwar has a large playground. It is an athletics track. Many regional sports meets have been conducted here on this track. The playground adjoins the sports stadium of Alwar city. KV Alwar is situated in the heart of the city, adjacent to the Moti Dungri Park. A herbal garden has been developed in the Vidyalaya to sensitize the students about the importance of medicinal plants in daily life. Many useful herbs like Arjuna, Ashwagandha, Giloy, Molishri, Sudarshan, aloe vera, etc. have been planted in it. The garden helps to make children recognize these herbs and their uses. Now, let us have a tour of the children's park, where our students learn the lesson of physical and mental fitness. Physical activity improves attention, decreases stress and anxiety, and prepares students to learn. The children's park has many types of swings, where the children can enjoy themselves and get ready for the next academic period. School gardens are a wonderful way to use the schoolyard as a school room, reconnect them students with the natural world and the true source of their food. School gardens also help to extend the classroom beyond traditional settings by expanding it outside. They can provide students with hands-on learning opportunities while increasing environmental awareness. And our Vidyalaya has been lucky enough to have an evergreen garden. Greenery that brings comfort to the soul, that inspires a creative mind to write poetry, to think about innovations, to indulge in noble activities. This replica of a Rafale jet plane designed by our art and craft teacher Shri Anil Mahavar is a source of inspiration for the students. It inspires them to excel in one's field. Now, let us have an inside view of our school. At the main entrance, the walls are adorned by our student achievers in various fields. The school building has been decorated by Shri Anil Mahavar, TGT Art and Craft. Everywhere on the walls, one can see beautiful paintings, inspirational quotations, and meaningful facts. This part of the Vidyalaya is comparatively new. Students from class 10th to 12th sit in this wing. This is the main corridor of the old building. With its science diagrams, mathematical equations and tables, it has become the favorite part of our school. The corridors also showcase a glimpse of the Bala project, which ignites the young minds. The walls have rightly been used to showcase facts of geography, chemistry, physics, biology, and literature. The classrooms are equally beautiful, spacious and airy, and the seating arrangement is quite comfortable for every student. This is the morning assembly ground where our students learn gratitude and humility. Albert Einstein has rightly said, education is not learning of facts, but training of the mind to think.